How to transform your small bedroom into a calming sanctuary, Part 1. Build a DIY Murphy shelf or table. Every bedroom needs to have some shelves on it so you can store your essentials, as well as a few decorative objects. But you also need to have a table where you can eat and possibly get some work done. So, how can you fit both a shelf and a table in your small bedroom? Easy! Just build your very own Murphy shelf table. They're incredibly easy to make. What's more, if you already have a shelf, you can simply upcycle it. Basically, there are two ways you can make your very own Murphy shelf or table. For both DIYs, you'll need the following material: MDF board, cut it to the size of the back of your shelf. Paint, make sure it matches the color of your shelf. Hinges, at least 2. 2 leg mounting plates. 2 table legs. Make sure the height of the legs matches the front of your shelf. Before you start making your Murphy shelf table, you need to paint your MDF board so it matches the color of your shelf. Since you're going to keep your shelf table on the floor, you can add some wheels to it. That way, you can easily move it around. Once you've screwed in all 4 wheels, it's time to add the leg mounting plates to the MDF board. Make sure to secure them tightly. Next, add some hinges on the top side of the shelf. You need to add at least 2 on the side of the shelf where you plan on adding the MDF board. When you've secured the hinges onto the shelf, turn it upside down so the screws are on the floor. Now, lay the MDF board over the hinges and tighten the screws. And that's it! You've now made your very own Murphy shelf table. You can place it against your wall when you're not using the table, and it looks just like a shelf. When you have guests over, they'll be amazed when you turn that innocent-looking shelf into a table. That's it for now.